Hello, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
How are you finding the Investor Summit so far?
I think it's very interesting. It's always great to have a bunch of people together from different countries, with different experiences and investing from different angles. So it's always
Awesome.
great to create that hotspot and be a part of it.
Yeah, I agree. It's always quite humbling to meet so many different experts from different areas, and then you realise, oh, I don't know anything about about that area, but it's great to know. But it'd be great to hear a little bit more about yourself and kind of what you're working on at the moment.
So I'm an investor at KPN Ventures. I'm an investment manager there. KPN Ventures is the VC fund of KPN, and KPN is the largest telco in the Netherlands. And our purpose is to invest in the best companies with the solutions that could create a win-win together with KPN. And that could either be that KPN uses the solution themselves, but preferably we'd like to invest in companies with solutions that could be interesting for the customers of KPN. So this can be the largest banks of the Netherlands and the government, but also ports and logistic companies, SMEs, but also consumers.
Wow. So you don't have a particular focus or niche on industry, but it's
Well, there is stuff that we do and that we don't do.
Okay.
So, of course, it needs to be adjacent to KPN. And for us, the focus areas are B2B and B2B SaaS. We also don't shy away from hardware. We invest in communication solution. We're very big on IoT and cybersecurity, not only, of course, for KPN themselves, but KPN is also an MSSP, so a managed security service provider. And besides that, there's a small part of the fund dedicated to technology awareness. So this means network tech or infrastructure tech. We look at quantum, we look at semiconducting. But that's just a small part of the fund.
wow. Quantum. I think that's going to be the next big thing. I don't know. But obviously AI is like the hot topic of the year and of the event.
Yeah.
So it'd be great to hear corporate VCs kind of approach to AI.
Well, I think, of course, AI is, it's here. Although it's been already here for quite some time, this is really the time, right? And it's going to be only more important in the future. From a corporate perspective, there's very different angles that we look at AI. So on the one hand, it's of course, we have a lot of data. We have commercial data we want to leverage better. We also want to help our customers better. So you can imagine that being the biggest telco, we also have a lot big customer service teams. On the other hand, we have a technical team also developing AI themselves to be used by the KPN business. We also have a lot of customers having questions about AI and what they need to do. Besides the fact that we're one of the biggest and most important infrastructure providers in the Netherlands, not only for the company itself, but for basically the foundation of the Netherlands. So security and securing AI, but also AI in security is equally important to us. So I think there is only a few aspects in the business, in every business, that at some point will be affected, positively affected by AI.
Yeah, it's going to become not even a word in the future. Like we've had cloud, we've had mobile, we've had internet.
Exactly.
It's just a part of everyday life.
Yeah.
So the last question is, what kind of people do you want to meet or to reach out to you?
Well, there's always, it is really nice to meet people that are investing in the same fields as you are. But then I also always love the serendipitous meetings, that you find somebody that you start to talk with, and there's always some connection that you can make, either being a market that you are interested in, maybe a company that you can share, a contact that you can make. So you can plan it all out, but I think, just being here and being able to talk to everybody, that's the most valuable.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for your time.
Yeah,
I
of
know
course.
you're in demand, so I'll let you get back to the event.
Oh,
but,
thank you so much for inviting me. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks very much. See you later.
Thank you.